The good thing about it, the waterfall is really quiet, really beautiful, and then it's not crowded. Only a few people in that area. That's a really good point on it. So you can do the camping and then you can enjoy your life. When you wake in the morning, it's beside the waterfall. That's really good. Look, the beauty of the waterfall is really, really gorgeous. I don't know how to express my feeling. I really fell in love with this waterfall. Okay. And then here is the shot that I took. I don't have much time, so I went straight to the most beautiful waterfall in that Chiang Mai area. So like you can enjoy the Thailand's countryside, the paddy field, and that's a really, really gorgeous. And then also from that paddy field to the mountains area on the way is really gorgeous place. These mountain roads lead to the our final destination. So here is the final destination. Um, yeah, this is the parking lot. Um, so from the parking spot to that waterfall, we're gonna walk around 500 meter. These rocky road, and then this rocky ahead of the rocky is Thailand most beautiful waterfall. You can see that. Check it out. That's a really, really gorgeous one. I can't complain. It's the most beautiful one. So I try a couple shot to that waterfall. Please enjoy the waterfall shooting, and then please put a comment down below what your thoughts on that. Personally, I like the Meteor waterfall because we can do the camping and then we can stay overnight and quiet. But for the Meteor waterfall, it's crowded. So my try is Meteor waterfall, and then I'm gonna go back to that waterfall and then stay the camping there. Thank you all very much for watching the whole video.